Today we're gonna make this delicious Mediterranean quinoa salad. Everyone loves a good Mediterranean recipe, so today we're gonna make Mediterranean quinoa. We're gonna get started with 1 cup of quinoa. Here I have tricolor. I've rinsed this already, and we have 2 cups of hot water on the stove. So we're gonna put this up to boil and let this cook, and then we're gonna chop up all our other ingredients to get ready. While our quinoa is cooking, we're gonna get all of our other ingredients ready. So I have here cucumber. We're gonna do half a cucumber. Put this on the side. And if you guys enjoy watching my show, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Nikki Gleckis for all of these fun photos of when my episodes are airing, as well as other entertaining tips. And then just dice that. I'm gonna put this on the side. And I always like to strategically, plan out my day. I'm a big list person. I always make a list. I love to cross things off the list. So for me, these types of recipes are great because while the quinoa is cooking, we're getting all these ingredients ready. We're gonna do half a tomato here. And then by the time I finish chopping all this up, that will be ready and we can assemble our dish. Take our tomatoes. I have a can of chickpeas that I've already drained right over here, so our chickpeas are ready. Next, we have our red onion, so we're gonna do half a red onion. So now that I've chopped up this half onion, that onion was huge, and I don't think I think that's too much for this recipe. So I've only set aside about a 1/4 cup of onion so that our ratios of all of our ingredients match up. Unless you really love onions, I wouldn't put that much in there. Next, we're gonna do Kalamata olives, pitted, and we're gonna chop them. And today I'm using 776 Kalamata olives. You can buy them just like this in the can. I will put the link below so that you guys can purchase them at home. So we're gonna do about a 1/4 cup. So I've scooped these out of the jar, and it is great juice in there, and I just got it all over me. So please excuse my appearance for the rest of the episode. We're gonna chop these up. Beware of the juice. I'm gonna set these aside. Next, we're gonna do mint and fresh parsley. So again, about a 1/4 cup of each. So the great thing about these salads when you do the Mediterranean cuisine is that they're really always the same ingredients. It's pretty much the same standard tomato, cucumber, olives, onion, fresh herbs, salt, pepper, oregano, lemon, olive oil, and you can really do that with anything. I have made that before, mixing it with orzo. Today we're gonna do it with quinoa. You can mix it with lettuce and make it a salad. So you really can have a lot of variations with the Mediterranean diet, as we call it. So we're gonna chop these up. Our herbs are ready. I'm gonna put that right into this bowl. Next, we're gonna make our dressing. So I'm gonna go take this and I'll be right back. So now we're gonna do our dressing. I know you guys are gonna guess this, but we are using the same ingredients again. Olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, and oregano. So we're gonna do a half a cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of, you can use fresh lemon juice. I like to use lemons, I just don't have them today. So I know some of you are gonna comment and say, oh, why wouldn't you use lemons? You can use lemons, I just don't have them right now. So we have lemons. We're gonna do a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. And can you guess how much oregano? Teaspoon of oregano. There we go. We're gonna whisk this together. So our dressing is ready. We're gonna leave that on the side. Once our quinoa has cooked, we're gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna assemble our salad. After our quinoa is cooked, I let it sit for about 10-15 minutes just so that it's not steaming hot. And I'm gonna add that right to our mixing bowl. We want it still warm so it can absorb the dressing, but I just wanted to get some of the steam off. So now we're gonna mix all of our ingredients. Our tomato, cucumber, onion, our olives, mint and parsley, chickpeas, colorful salad. And I'm gonna mix this together, and then we're gonna add the dressing and our feta. So I'm carefully mixing this together, and I like to add the feta on top after. Look at all those beautiful colors. This is a great side dish, especially for barbecues, holidays. You could do this for Easter as a side dish. It goes well with fish, meat, steak, anything you like. So we're gonna put this, or summer barbecues. I'm gonna whisk our dressing again, pour that on top. And you want this quinoa to really absorb this. I mean, this is one of those salads that it's even better the next day when it absorbs all the juices. So now that the salad, I've mixed everything together, I'm gonna add our star, because it's my favorite, of course, it's feta. So I'm using Stani feta. Again, I'm gonna put the link below in the description so you guys can order Stani feta too. So I'm gonna put here some feta, crumble that on top. I'm gonna mix this together, and I've put a little bit of extra feta on the side because I wanna garnish it on top. And this salad is ready to be served. For the full recipe for this delicious salad, visit NikkiKlekis.com.